Hello, and welcome from MSSC. Today, we'll use our template editor to create a 2D barcode in the GS1 data matrix format. Our barcode will include the following fields. We start with the global trade item number, GTIN, as the first field. Then we will add an expiration date as our second field. For our third field, we use a batch or lot number, which can contain up to 20 characters of information. We hope you find this tutorial helpful. Now, let's get started in the template designer. In a new template, we will add the barcode from our objects list by clicking here, then, select the barcode icon. Now we will identify a few parameters for the barcode. As the source, please use database. For the barcode type, please use data matrix, which can be easily found by searching data and then highlighting data matrix. With data matrix highlighted, please click next to proceed. Now we can remove and add items to the data matrix barcode. First, I will remove the default date item by highlighting it and pressing the left pointing arrow. Now that the default date component has been removed, I will add in the AI component that will assist in this barcode generation. With AI highlighted in the source list, please click the right pointing arrow to add it to the destination list, which makes it an active component in your data matrix barcode. Now we can add the text that will work in conjunction with the AI by highlighting text in the source list, then clicking the right pointing arrow to add it into the destination list. You may notice that when I add an AI component to the destination list, it appears as red text. This indicates that the AI component is not fully functional and requires an additional item from the source list to work correctly. Each time I add an AI, and then pair it with a text component, the red AI turns black. This signifies that the AI now has a functional component meeting its input requirements. At the start of this video, we identified 3 different uses for our GS1 data matrix 2D barcode. Therefore, I'll add 3 AIs and 3 text components to the destination list. Once I have the required number of functional AI components, I'll click OK to proceed. Back in the layout screen, I will resize my barcode so that it fits the template. Once I'm satisfied with the size of the data matrix barcode in my template, I'll shift my focus to the information contained within the barcode. On the right side of the designer screen, you'll notice various barcode parameters available while the barcode is selected. The first step is to define the code format. For this tutorial, we'll select GS1 from the drop-down list. After choosing GS1, I'll navigate to the GS1 tab to enable the human-readable text. Next, I'll click on the Database tab to identify the types of AI components that will be applied to our content. For the first AI component, we'll use 01 GTIN, Global Trade Item Number, which requires 14 characters, including a check digit as the 14th character. For the second AI, we'll use 17 for use by or expiry. For the third and final AI, we'll use 10 for the batch or lot number, allowing us to include up to 20 characters as needed. Now that we've identified the types of AI components, you'll notice that the text below each AI is displayed in red. This indicates the text doesn't fit the required format and needs correction. For the first AI, the GTIN requires all 14 characters, including the check digit. To generate the check digit, we start with 13 characters and calculate the 14th using an external tool. This tool generates the check character when we input our initial 13 characters. For our external tool, we'll use a web browser to navigate to the gs1.org website. Here, we'll input our 13 known characters, and the website will calculate the 14th unknown character for us. Please pause this video now and take note of the full website address. This is essential for completing the text associated with the GTIN AI. Once we have the complete 14-character GTIN, we'll enter it into the text component associated with our GTIN. This is the item labeled text directly below the first AI in the destination list. This is essential for completing the text associated with the GTIN AI. Now, let's move on to the second AI. This AI requires 6 digits to represent an expiration date. For this example, we'll enter 300101, which translates to an expiration date of January 1st, with 30 indicating the year. The last item to enter is the batch/lot AI text. This is the third AI item and can contain up to 20 characters. You may notice that the text line below this AI is not red. Since this field accepts 1 to 20 characters, any input within this range will meet the field's requirements. For this example, we've used 20 characters to illustrate the field's full capabilities. Once all entries are complete, the final step is to adjust the text size of the human-readable output so that it fits within the template. With the data matrix barcode selected in the layout, use the General tab at the right to adjust the font size. Once the human-readable text fits within the template, you are finished creating a GS1 data matrix barcode with human-readable text. We hope this tutorial was informative, and as always, happy printing! From MSSC.